This ball python is sitting on a clutch of eggs, so the first thing we're going to do is gently remove her so we can collect the eggs and incubate them.
The next thing I'm going to do is use a piece of charcoal to mark the eggs with an X.
I like to mark the tops of the eggs as I found them. Unlike bird eggs, snake eggs lack a membrane known as the chalaza. The chalaza is a membrane that suspends the embryo in the center of the egg, which ultimately allows it to rotate without causing any issues. Since snake eggs lack this membrane, the embryo fixes itself to the inside of the eggshell. Once attached, it needs to stay in that same orientation, so it can stay properly connected to the yolk sac, blood vessels, and all the inner workings of the egg.
So after the embryo fixes itself to the inside of the eggshell, if that egg is rotated, especially if it stays in a rotated position, it could mean some serious trouble for that developing embryo.
So as I candle the egg, I look to see if the embryo is on top. If it's not on top, I'll rotate the egg so it is, and then I'll remark the egg and leave it in that position, which will give it the best chance at survival.
Now that all the eggs are in the proper position, I'll get them in the incubator, but we'll check up on them again soon.